Hello guys, what are web service agency USA? Website design plays a vital role in building a strong online presence for any business in today digital landscape. Your business website must be responsive, easy to navigate, and questionability appealing with thematic visual that attract potential product. Creating a professional website can be tricky, however sourcing it to web design agencies can prove to be a wise choice. After all, why risk your brand image with an unattractive website? According to Blue Corona, did you know that 38% of online visitors stop engaging with a website if its layout is unattractive? According to Blue Corona, 48% of people says that website design is the number one factor in determining the credibility of any businesses. There are many web design agencies around the world that can help you build a great business website from scratch. Even if you want to do website relaunch, you would know where to look. These agencies offer a great variety of digital service like web development, search engine optimization, SEO, graphic designing, e-camera stores development, and much more. We design agencies bring in the experience and expertise that can help you scale your business, reach out to global audience, and successfully thrive in your industry. Keeping in focus the importance of designing a professional business website, I have created list the best web designing agencies from across the global that can help you achieve your business goal. Feel free to evaluate them and option and OPT for the one that best suit your business need. Web design agencies in USA. Web design agencies